Hi guys, this is Omkar here, and today we are testing out the Boya M1 mic outside with a GoPro, and let's see how it sounds with a GoPro. As far as I know, GoPro has an option to add an external mic. There are two options, as in a powered mic option, and there is a powered mic plus option wherein it picks up more than plus 20 dB. So let's see how it sounds, and we are going around, walking around and seeing as in how much sound it will pick up when I walk in an
environment that has less traffic. So I'll see how much sound it picks up, how much surrounding sound it picks up. So let's see. For the most part, coming out on a sunny day like this feels quite cumbersome, and the wire is dangling around, and I'm feeling quite tired.
Let's see how it sounds. For the most part, I can show you the road. There are less vehicles on this road, so you can see it's a little bit quieter than the main road. And there are less vehicles over here. The environment is also quite good for sound recording, and I think so that it will pick up less sound comparatively. So let's see. I'll be walking half the way to see as to how much sound it picks up. You can clearly see there are less amount of vehicles coming out from the back. And in front also I can show you that there are less vehicles, so that you can confirm that. So that's it. I'll be checking out the GoPro without the mic now. Hi guys, Omkar, and this is how the internal mic of the GoPro sounds when I'm talking to it. And now we are going somewhere to bring something, and we'll see how it picks up the sound behind me, besides me, and how it picks up the sound of the surrounding. So let's see how much sound does it pick up. For the most part, I'm trying it for the first time, so let's see how it goes. It's a very sunny day. It's quite hot actually. Hi guys, what I think after shooting with the GoPro is that when you connect the mic with the GoPro and shoot with that, at the powered mic plus option, the audio, as in what I say, comes out much more louder and audible, and is much more fuller. Yes, it picks up a lot of noise, but then still it's quite audible. And when you shoot without the mic, there is less background noise, and you can hear your voice. It captures the dialogue or what you say properly, but then the thing is that the sound is not that audible and that punchier. And I just want to say that this video, which I shot on the GoPro, was shot with the help of my friend, and my friend gave me this GoPro. So you can see the link to his channel in the description below. If you like the video, just like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon.